Delight thyself also in the Lord, and he shall give thee the desires of thy heart. Psalms 37:4. We do not change all of the patterns of our thoughts in a moment. Rather, it takes place little by little, until gradually the old thought patterns become transformed into new ones by some inner alchemy of the mind, the operation of which we do not see, but the manifestation of which we do experience. I know that all the good there is belongs to me. God is good. Good is God. I am surrounded by good. I am enveloped in it. I feel its presence. There is nothing in me that can reject that good. My whole inner feeling entertains it and experiences it. My whole expectation is one of joy and pleasurable anticipation. All the old thoughts of fear and doubt and uncertainty have vanished. Within me is the secret place of the Most High. Within me is the presence and the power and the will to know and to do and to be. There is nothing in me that can deny this statement or refuse to accept it. There is nothing in me that can limit me. My memory is one of happiness. My anticipation is one of joy. My experience is one of pleasure.